Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to clean your fridge so that it becomes perfectly clean. So the first thing you need to do before cleaning your fridge is to think about the products stored in it. Place them in a large container or basin. After the refrigerator is completely empty, unplug it and remove all the shelves from it. My shelves are very dirty, so I will soak them in the bath to soften the dirt. Pour 2 cups of vinegar into warm water. Add 1 tablespoon of dish soap and mix everything well. I will use a homemade cleaner to clean the fridge. To make it, you will need 1 cup of vinegar, 1 cup of water and 1 teaspoon of dish soap. Mix all this in a spray bottle and spray the fridge. This cleaning agent will perfectly cope with dirt and help eliminate all unpleasant odors in the fridge. Don't forget to clean the refrigerator seal as well. Use the cleaning product we made and a toothbrush for this. Once everything is clean, wipe the inside of the refrigerator with a damp, clean cloth. Then you need to wipe the refrigerator dry and leave it open so that it dries well inside. The fridge is clean inside, so let's go back to the shelves. A sponge and brush are perfect for cleaning. Clean everything well, drain the water, rinse the shelves under running water and wipe them dry. Then leave the shelves for 5 minutes so that they dry well and are not damp. So the fridge is already clean, the shelves are also clean and dry, so you can return them to their places. Now we move on to another point that shouldn't be forgotten, cleaning the refrigerator from the outside. Spray it with cleaning agent and wipe it with a sponge. Next, the refrigerator needs to be wiped several times with a damp cloth to wash off all the soap and wiped dry. Well, here is such an amazing result. Now I will show you before and after so that you can appreciate the difference. Now you know how to clean your fridge and do it as easily and quickly as possible. After such cleaning, your refrigerator will be clean and fresh not only inside, but also outside. I hope some of these tips are useful to you. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in other videos.